Welcome to Voice Bootcamp, a global name in unified communication. Hi, my name is Faisal Khan, Cisco collaboration instructor at Voice Bootcamp. In this video, I'm going to give you a short description of Session API. CVP provides a mechanism for developers to access or change information regarding the phone call or the session itself. Through this Session API, one can get environment information such as the phone number, DNIS, the default audio path, or the time the call began. This API acts as a conduit for developer to set element and session data, send custom logging event, or access user management system. A subset of the Session API called the Global API provide access to the data that exists beyond the individual classes. Any custom component built by the developer will be sent to this API. Now, this API has many different classes. One of the most important classes we're going to talk about is called the class API base. This abstract class acts as a base class for the Session API, provide to all the Java build component, such as the start or the end of the classes, dynamic element configuration, generic action, or decision element as well. The method defines here allow components to modify various information such as the triggering logging event or even accessing loggers assigned to the applications. Now, a lot of this information may look a little bit complex to you if you do not have experience with creating a Java class, but don't worry about it. I'm going to walk you through in the subsequent video how to develop very basic Java class to all the way to a complex one. Now, this particular API is part of this component called com.audm.server.session.component API. Now, there is a Cisco documentation that allows you to go through all these methods that are available within that class, for example. Now, I'm going to walk you through some of the methods just to give you an overview of what they are and what they do. But mind you, though, again, if you don't have programming background or if you don't have knowledge about Java classes, this may look a little bit complex. Now, there are many methods that are part of this API base. First one we're going to talk about is called add to long. This method throws a custom event for any application loggers to pick up. Then you have something called get application API. This method gives component access to global API, which allows for the getting or setting global data or application data that you can use throughout your applications.